This is the launching of 84-foot Spirit of Bermuda in Rockport, Maine. It's Sunday, the 13th of August, 2006. And she is about to come in. She's just been christened. She's built here locally, and as she rolls, she'll ease into Rockport Harbor. Hopefully in short order before I run out of camera. Oh, Keith. Before I run out of my buddy Keith's here with me. I got her on video. I think they made a special thanks to you, to Lyman. What did you guys contribute to this? I thought they said something like that. Get a good look at her rig. No small thingy, I'll tell you that. She's easing in. Sometime soon. Aaron, you want to get up here? You want to get up here?
No, I was trying to call Brendan over to stand by Aaron.
Here she goes. Nice and slow.
Hey, Brenna!
Well, she's not floating just yet, but she will be in short order. Get past this dude's noggin, I can see her props. Gets you the whole length of her.
Brenna!
She eases on in. There she is. All the way up there. So far, so good.
I was just going to say, if she's standing right here.